This one is 25,000 naira. It's a very big trouser, palazzo. It can fit a size 14 and 16.
Would you like to learn how to model your dress without wearing them by yourself, just like I did now?
Step 1. On your Google app, type Google AI Pro. Select the first one here, Google Gemini, Google AI Pro, and Ultra. Get access, select that. Wait for it to load. Okay. Now, scroll down. There are options there, but scroll down until you find this option of 28,500 naira. Yes. 0 for 1 month. Get started. Click on get started. Okay. While you wait for it to load, this offer is actually for 28,500 naira, but they give 1 month for free to every first time users. So we are going to subscribe to it with our card. Now click on the add card option. Don't panic. After the subscription, you will not be charged, and we are going to remove our card against future charge also, so don't panic at all. Now put the card number, the 16 to 20 digit number in the front of your ATM card. Put it there. Then month, put month. Year, put here. And CVC, put the 3-digit number at the back of your ATM card. Click on save and you are successfully subscribed. Now step 2. I want to show you how you can remove your card when you have successfully subscribed to this Pro app. Now go to your Google Play Store, and if you do this, you will not need to worry about them charging you again at the end of the month. Okay, so go to that profile tab where you have your initial. On that profile tab, you will see options of payment and subscription. There you will see anything you have ever subscribed to with your phone. You will see it under this payment and subscription in Play Store. Click on subscription and you can cancel. Now I've cancelled the one I subscribed to, which is this one I'm teaching you about. Meanwhile, it will not take your current subscription away. If you cancel it now, it will not take it away, so it will still last for that 30 days. Then after 30 days, you can do it again with a different email, and then you can continue to enjoy this offer, and you can create 1,000 videos in 30 days, which you can even finish before the time elapses. Next thing, we want to get to the business. Now go to Google again, type Google Flow. When you type on Google Flow, you wait for it to load. Because you have subscribed, you will not have problem again. So now you will have this interface. Click on new project on Google Flow. When you click on new project, the next thing you want to see, here is the interface where you can do your editing or your generation work. Click on that place and you see frame to video. Select it, and here you can see +2+ tab here. That is where you can put 2 pictures at the same time. You can also put only one, but we want to work on 2 pictures this time. So click on the first plus bar, and it will take you see upload. When you click on the first plus bar, then you can select picture from your gallery. I'll be selecting this image here. It has to be very clear and plain, the background, to have a good result. I will select this attire here. That's what I want my model to wear, right? That's the cloth I want to model, and this is the prompt. Let the woman on the left change into the outfit on the right. She walks around as if to market the dress. She's holding a price tag of 25,000 in one hand and uses her other hand. Okay, so when you do that, you wait for it to load. Let's see the outcome. That's the outcome, guys. That's the outcome. So I only created this magic with few words. So I'll drop this prompt so you can, meanwhile you can tweak it to your choice. Whatever you want the image to say or to do is what you will write in there. As long as your prompts are clear, your images are clear, you will have a good result.
This is a new arrival. Very good quality, size 14. 25,000 naira.
Hello, babes. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video.
We'll be bringing you useful information like this all time.